In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a Visa gift card on Etsy, helping you seamlessly make purchases with this prepaid card. Whether you've received it as a gift or just want to streamline your spending, using a Visa gift card can be both convenient and easy. Let's dive into the process and make sure you're ready to shop with confidence. First things first, it's important to know that Etsy does indeed accept prepaid Visa gift cards. However, there are a couple of conditions to keep in mind. Make sure that the balance on your card can fully cover your intended purchase. This is crucial as Etsy will not allow a split payment between a gift card and another card. So, before you get started, double check the balance to ensure you can complete your purchase smoothly. Next, you need to be certain that your Visa gift card is fully activated and registered with the correct name and address. This is usually done through the issuer's website, but it's an essential step as it helps match your billing information during transactions. When you're ready to shop, here's how to proceed. Start by adding the items you want to buy to your cart, and when you're satisfied, proceed to checkout. During this stage, you'll be prompted to select your shipping address. Choose the address that matches where you'd like the products delivered. Now, let's pay attention to the payment method section. Here you'll find an option titled Choose a Payment Method. Click on Add a New Card to proceed with your Visa gift card. Enter your card details as requested. This includes the card number, expiration date, and CVV code, just as you would with any credit or debit card. You'll also come across a couple of boxes to check, one for the billing address, indicating that it matches your shipping address, and another to set this card as your default payment option if you frequently use it. These are useful to streamline future purchases. Once you've filled out everything accurately, click Save and use this card. Etsy might require additional verification, so follow any prompts carefully to verify your card. This could be through a text or email confirmation depending on your card issuer. And there you have it. You're all set to make your purchase using your Visa gift card. By following these steps, you ensure a smooth transaction on Etsy, opening the door to the world of unique and handcrafted goods while using your gift card balance. Happy shopping!